Hey, good people. So Dollar Tree got some new containers, storage boxes for $1.25, and they come in like this blue and grayish color. So not bad. $1.25. Let's see what else we can find over here as far as storage. I don't see a whole lot of new over here. So I've bought quite a few of these gloves and we're not happy. They have a new one now. Looks like it's more secure because all of the other ones just burn right up. Let me know if you guys have tried these. I was gonna make me one. They even have the silicone. Okay, this is what I was looking for because I was gonna take this and make me one to put on my pots. What is this? Oh, it's the pot holder. These are $1.25, guys. Oh, these are cute and they're pretty thick. Bless this dirty kitchen. Come on now. $1.25.